Honestly, I think I'm gonna get stopped out on this move right here, but this would be a great thing for me to have recorded and have like in my arsenal because I have seen setups like these and I get a little bit confused. So what's going on here is that price on the 10 minute has shown bearish momentum. It broke structure, but here now price did not tag onto this, right? And then just continue dropping down. It broke past it. And I'm bearish still because I see this liquidity up here. But it's also making me second guess like, yes, we are in a bearish jump, but overall, we are bullish. But simultaneously, I'm like, I've seen it hit this supply zone, break past this supply zone to hit this, zone to then, like continue moving down. I don't know. Like we've been bullish for all of this time and it's about to be New York. But this is another trade idea that I had. Well, I didn't have this idea, but this was after like what it's responding to right now. So it's the zone that I currently have, but it's just this wick part and just like having that be there, and depending on how I have it right now, I currently have it like 3 ticks above the wick just to give it some wiggle room. But if you just had it a 1 to 2 is right here and looks pretty close to hitting TP. So a little bit of like, damn. But simultaneously it's kind of like right here in this area is a 2 minute supply zone, high probability. So it was like that's kind of what I was thinking of, but I don't know. It's 8:09 currently, about to be 8:10. We got news at 8:30. So, I don't really know. If we lose this trade, that's kind of a thing. Honestly, I didn't really get that much sleep. I've been just tossing and turning, journaling, and really just thinking about the situation of how like having a a 40% win rate is it's possible. It's all you need. Bro, I am so sick and tired of seeing this, bro. Trades that I see just take off without me, bro. Like it's about to hit TP with this John right here. Like, bro, that is so irritating. Had the right level, didn't execute like how it could have, and did not go in my way, and TP just hit. It's difficult, man. It's annoying because you feel like if we get a double top, if price comes back here and then gives us a break of the candle, I might go in for that sell, depending. Or is it probably just gonna leave without us? Honestly, I just decided to take off my previous trade. It might take off without me and might tap in, but I'm just kind of going with the breaker structure because it's like price broke structure to downside and then it was going down, and now price has broken structure again, and overall we are bullish. So I don't know. I don't know. Honestly, I'm early to the chart, 8:12. I took off my all my trades. I'm just gonna give myself some time to breathe and just wait till 8:30 when I usually should be trading. So, I'll be back. Okay, so news is going a little bit buck wild right now. Um I took off all my trades, just giving myself a breather. Um Kind of looked like it tapped into my setup, but it didn't. So 1 tick away. Or would it have been? Okay, we would have definitely been in the setup now. So this could still like go down, like take. Oh, it would have stopped us out. Okay, well that's a good thing for us in that case. We were just looking at like, oh, I think that's like a dub for us. Just in general of like evading a loss. I think is important. But yeah, I mean, Price is just pushing up. So I don't know if we'll be able to get a 10-minute setup. If so, I'd be maybe this setup here, maybe potentially. Price come down here, potentially retrace, but I would honestly be looking for 2-minute setups in this genre right here if they got any. I mean, 10-minute wise, if it's not about to float down, take that long position right here. All right, drop down to the... Usually if it's something like this, price will just push up and like forget all of this stuff. So, but gotta be prepared. Two, 6, 14, 479, 75, 14, and this is for a buy. 179. Okay, so I just place marked for both of my live account and the funded account this setup right here on the 10-minute John right there. Got a 10-minute little the beginning part of the demand zone on the 10-minute, and then we also got this zone down here, but we have this one first marked up. Yeah, I'll let you know. If price breaks this high without giving us that 10-minute retracement, I might be looking for just a 2-minute setup if price goes past this line. I don't even have a line. It goes past this line. Breaks this high. But I'll let you know. Seems like price is coming down now. But yeah, we'll see. My stop loss was like underneath like this. Bah. So it's getting closer to the zone. Let's see if this will work, and if not, then we have this other zone. Let me prepare for that. Going for longs. If this doesn't work, going for longs right here. That's an 18. So that doesn't work. I'll let you know. I had this other trade idea, possible range setup, depending. Just thinking about it, you know. I got 56 seconds. I'm still bullish. So I'm thinking if price, I don't know, kind of gets around here and then comes back, we could potentially have a setup here. I don't know. I don't feel confident about it, man. I don't feel confident about anything, to be honest. It's so weak. It's like, does price even want to go lower? You know? I don't know. I don't like that. And the same candle. These do kind of like freak me out and make me a little bit nervous, because I'm like, we just had this such a big push up. Like, why are we hesitating so much, you know? Looking on the 10, we grabbed liquidity, we did all of that, keeping bullish structure, you know. I'm thinking, okay, we want to go up, but it's like, nah, not really, you know. I can't tell. I don't know. I'm nervous. Our zone is right there. Stop loss is somewhere. I'll let you know. I just dropped to the 1 minute. I think the range setup was that it just didn't look like it when we was looking at it. This is a lot, man. For real. This would have been the setup that I would have been in if I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so I set up, this is like a 2-minute idea because we got like less than 6 minutes left on this candle. I have this fair value gap set up right here on my demo. I said demo, the funded and the EA. So yeah. Alright. I am a little bit iffy because this is the first time in a while the price is pulling back. Well, relatively in a while. But I'm just like, it probably, like, will it tap the zone? Will it, all this, like, will it, won't.
Order filled.
Okay, well, it did. It tapped the zone. I'm in it on here and on here. So let's see what happens, man. Stop loss underneath the fair value gap. So, and honestly, I'll let you know. I don't feel like holding it, but I'll let you know if it's stop filled or order filled. I don't know just yet, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna stop me out. Okay, so it actually hit TP, but I was away from the chart, so let me oh shit, I forgot I was recording. Literally several hours later. I don't even know where this was, but I guess an overall recap. It really frustrates me with how emotional I get, in the sense, yeah, and how emotional I get. Like just how much it gets on me to really be in a trade, you know. I'm doing something that's uncomfortable to me and it's showing, and I only want to improve because I know that it's better for me. It's getting me out of my comfort zone, and that's always a good thing. I think when it comes with something that revolves around being wrong, that's a bunch of layers on top of just doing something new, right? Like when you are in the beginning of something, you know, I usually come into the mindset of like, you know what, I'm new, you know, I'm gonna make mistakes, I'm not gonna understand. But even in the beginning, when it came to trading, it was always like, I gotta be right, like I can't be wrong, because it's revolving around money, and money has always been so important to me, and putting myself in this vulnerable state on a regular basis is kind of insane. But I wake up every day excited to get to the charts, and I've never said that about like anything that can like provide me like money on a regular basis, right? Like this will be a full-time job for me, and it's weird, you know, like I'm living that life right now, kind of, right? I feel blanketed, but it's like when I wake up to trade, and I don't have any other like obligations. Like I just kind of like chill here, you know, edit videos here and there, do some other stuff, or maybe just chill, like smoke, just chill, maybe like do something if something's going on. But honestly, I just be in the house. I'm I'm not in the point where I feel like I can really expand and do stuff because I'm not making any money. But that's coming soon. So yeah, but I just wanted to wrap up this video and say, you know, Kitty, I'm proud of you every which way. You know, we're gonna make it, so we don't even have to worry too much. This is all about the process. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, bye.